we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
So since I did not get to show you guys the gifts my friends bought me and my boyfriend previously, since I started the vlog, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the things they got me. I'm the birthday queen. I was so happy, guys. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I had not planned. I remember even in the other vlog, I remember telling you guys that I wasn't planning to get a cake, but I think I took it out. And then coming back home from my makeup and hair appointments, I'm coming back to a whole cake, 2.5 kgs of cake. Oh. And flowers, chocolates, I don't know what. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you those things my friend and my boyfriend got me. My boyfriend and my friends got me. My boyfriend is number one anyway, because he did outdid himself. He outdid himself so much. So let's get into showing what I got for my birthday. This hair was installed by Efra Hair. It has been on my head for 3 days. It's not moving. The lace is not moving. Nothing is showing. Like, it's just sitting there on the queen's head. All right, let's get into showing you the things. I'm waiting for your gifts. Yeah, the gifts are not enough. Get me more. I'm joking. So let me show you guys the things my boyfriend and my friends got me. I'm so lucky. Anyway, let me show you. I was so happy. So let me unbox with you the things they got me. It's necessarily not unboxing because I've seen most of them, but there's one item I've not unboxed. Just one item, and the most God, oh my God, hey, oh Mungu wangu, one item. So let me just show you the rest, and then we are going to unbox the most important item my boyfriend got me. Oh my God, I can finally say my man now. It's coming. So let me show you the things. I'm the happiest girl in the world today. So let me show you the things. Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing I wanted to show you are the flowers my friend got me. My friend got me these flowers. She's called Faith. She knows me inside out because these are my colors. Like, this is what I like. So she got me these beautiful flowers, and I get to put them in the vase I showed you in the previous video. The flower vase that I got from Panda Mart at Garden City. Oh, love it. Thank you, Faith, in case you're going to watch this vlog. Thank you, mommy. Thank you so much. Thank you for the flowers. They're so lovely. I love them. Thank you for wishing me a happy birthday. I wish you all the best. All the blessings in the world. May God be with you. And may our friendship keep growing forever. So I'm starting first with the things my friends got me. This is another gift from my very good friend. A friend we go all the way back. She's literally my best friend. All the way back since high school. She's called Charlotte. So the gift comes in this gift bag. So pretty, so cutesy, so me. So she got me a bag. She already showed me because we went for dinner together. So she got me this pretty, my friends know me. She got me this pretty bag. She got me this pretty bag. Oh my god. Oh my god. Charlotte, thank you so much. I pray our friendship keeps growing. The far we've come to endelea to hivo, you know. So thank you so much. May God bless you. May you grow in every part of your life, in every aspect of your life. More blessings every day. May God be with you through this journey of life. And so let's go on to the things my man got me. So I'll start with the flowers. You guys have seen the other flowers, like the two big ones, the pink ones. You've seen it, I think, in the middle of the video because I was on an appointment, hair and wig appointment. So let me show you the flowers. So there's these flowers. There's these lovely roses, red roses. This is how they look like. It's been written, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you, babe. In case you're going to watch this vlog, thank you so much. I love every gift you gifted me. Thank you so much. And guys, he's doing all this when it's far away, so that's a bonus. Thank you. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gifts. These are lovely. On to the next flowers, because there are two of them. Another set of flowers. Oh my god. I've never received such flowers in my life. It's literally like the first time. So with this one, it wasn't a surprise because I was in town, so we did the whole communication with him. But for the others, I came back home. I think I'll show you the video. I'll stitch the video somewhere in the middle of this video for you guys to see how I came back home. So I kept getting people calling me that they have what is it called, an item for me, and I kept saying, no, I'm not in the house, Kylie, go to the gate and then give the phone to the watchman, blah blah blah. And then I will talk to the guy, and then I will tell the guy, please, there's a package for me, it's a gift, it's my birthday, Kylie, keep it for me until I come. I came. Oh, it was gift after gift after gift. It was an item after an item after an item. I was just like, yeah. Hey, oh my god, I was going crazy. So actually, though, this was like the only flower I will get. And then when I got home, things went crazy. I didn't even expect my friends to get me flowers too, because everything was just random. Like everything was just rushed. Because the hair appointment took forever, and I don't necessarily communicate like, guys, ni birthday yangu. Last item. This will take me forever to eat because they're so sugary. It's not the first time you send them to me, but I still love them. I just maybe eat once in a while, moja moja. Thank you, babe. I love it. In case you're going to watch this vlog, nakupenda. So there's a cake. I think I'll show you the cake, just the photos. I don't remember if I took the video of the cake. So on to the last item. The last item. Guys. Never in my life have I ever been surprised by somebody and it really felt so good. This is the first time. This is the first time. Yeah. So let me show you the last item. Oh my god, how do I even show you? A MacBook. A moment of silence. I have never, God is my witness. I have never been surprised with something so huge like this. I don't even know how to say thank you if you're going to watch this vlog. So let's unbox together the MacBook. It's called MacBook what? MacBook Air. MacBook Air. Hey, my village people. Why is it not showing? MacBook Air. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. MacBook Air. MacBook Air. Oh my god. Okay guys, let's unbox before I become emotional. Like, this is just so big. Let me unbox. Oh my god, a whole MacBook. Oh, inafunguliwa na hapa. Let's unbox the MacBook. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay, let's continue without crying. Oh. So it comes with a charger. I think it's a charger. The charger. This is the charger. Why is it not showing? Yeah. Let's unbox. Let me remove this. Oh wow. Wow. Hey, the lights keep reflecting on it. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, language. Software. iOS.
British English is the main language. Press the return key.
What did you say? Who is it? Who is speaking? But you guys have heard somebody was speaking, yeah? Is it Siri or what? Which one tena kama itaongea? Let's open. Let's open. Talk. I did not cry. I'm a soldier. But I did cry because it's out of joy. Like, I'm just so grateful. I'm just so grateful. Nobody has ever done. This is a big gesture. Like, nobody has ever treated me this way. This way. Nobody. I'm just so grateful, guys. I'm just so grateful. Thank you is all I'm going to say in this video. Thank you to God for the far. Thank you to God for bringing such amazing people into my life. Like, it's not enough gratitude. I just feel like this is just too much. This is too much love. And guys, if all of you are going to watch this video, I just want to say thank you so much. God is going to bless you. My boyfriend, my friends, thank you so much for putting a smile on my face. Thank you so much. You did not have to, but you did. Guys, to amazing friends, to amazing people who you surround yourselves with, because you never know who is really for you and who is not. So I'm not going to say much. If you've watched the video to the end, I just want to say thank you too. For those of you who wished me a happy birthday, I want to say thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Your girl is so grateful. And all those wishes and sweet comments and reaching out, they make me go stronger. Like, they make me want to do more and do the best, like be the best version. So thank you so much, you guys, for contributing. And I think I'm just going to close this vlog here, because we need to sit down and take all of this in, like, slowly, one bit. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, I'm just so overjoyed. Let me see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. See you in the next vlog. Adios. Bye.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover.